NEET Physics Basics by Master Prashant. In last class we saw about the first law of motion. Now the first law of motion is related to rest and uniform motion. Now we are going to see the common uniqueness among this rest and uniform motion. The common kinematic quantity of this rest and uniform motion is acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but the rate of change of speed or velocity in a body. If the net external force, if the two forces are equal, the body will be at the rest. If I press this side with this hand and this hand with the other hand, if the hand doesn't move, the force is equal in opposite direction, so it is equal. So the net external forces of an body is equal to 0. The acceleration, the rate of change of speed, the acceleration also will be 0. In uniform motion, the speed is also same, so acceleration is also 0. This is a common kinematic quantity in the rest and uniform motion. To prove the before formula, now we took two types of situation. First one, if we know that the sum of all external force acting on your body is 0, then we can say its acceleration will be 0 from the last formula. The sum of all external force, it means if the body in uniform motion or rest, there will be a force. So the sum of all external force acting on a body is equal to 0. Then the acceleration of the body also will be 0. The external force are many. There are many external force like gravity, and when we keep a ball on a table, the gravity is an external force and the table gives an external force. These are we can say as external force. Next situation, more often we know the acceleration of the body. But we may not know all external forces that is acting on a body. We can't find there are many forces we can't find. So if acceleration is equal to 0, then the sum of all external force also will be 0. If the acceleration, so we use the same formula but we use as vice versa. So acceleration, when the acceleration is 0, the sum of all external force is also will be 0. Now we are going to see an example of the second situation. Now there is a sphere on the ground. This is ground and this is sphere. There is a two force acting on the sphere, but the sphere is at rest. The first force is force due to gravity, on the earth, and the second force is R. The ground pushes up the sphere. This is another force of another force. Now it is at the rest, so the acceleration will be 0. So then the sum of all external forces will be 0. In this state, we will find that R is equal to the force due to gravity is called as weight. Now commonly called as weight, that we can take as mg. This is the net force. The ground force we can call as R. Now in this situation, when the acceleration is 0 and the sum of all external force is 0, we can say that R is equal to mg. this is the new formula. This is a new theorem. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.